Authorities unveil the water care traffic light. The guidelines for the installation and operation of the water care traffic light were published in the official newspaper of the state of Tamaulipas. On Tuesday, March 7, the guidelines for the installation and operation of the Water Care Forum were published in the official newspaper of the state of Tamaulipas in northern Mexico. Certain recommendations are established to achieve a change of habits in the rationed use of the vital liquid. They consider implementing the traffic light of water control, efficient use, and awareness in the population. They try to establish coordination mechanisms before the state, through the State Water Commission in Tamaulipas, municipalities, and drinking water operator agencies, as well as the National Water Commission for the dissemination, promotion and update of the status of the water traffic light to protect water. It is also announced that it will be used as an official source of consultation and support to make decisions derived from these guidelines. The information issued by Canagua on issues of drought and water disposal.